Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be opening this nail set. Okay, so let's open it up right here. These are the nails. It's a white base with some polka dots. It has orange, light red, a dark red, and pink and yellow. Okay, so let's open it up. Has like a little cover. Okay. So now I'm gonna be this nail right here is so big for my irregular thumb, so I'm gonna be taking these two. So I'm gonna take the medium largest and put it on one of my nails. Like this. And let's put the small on my other thumb. I'll show you how the rest are gonna look like on my nails after I'm done putting. Here are how the nails look like. Here's my thumbs. So yeah, these are my nails. I hope you'll like them. And make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a brand new video. And like this video if you liked it.